Man, this thing has been here a long time, and there's nothing on it. But
yeah, I mean, look at this tree.
yeah,
This tree is probably 20 feet tall
yeah,
and 8 to 10 inches wide in circumference.
yeah.
And it's going right through.
Goes through the passenger side, through the completely through the front compartment.
What are we doing today?
We are going to go look at a bus in the woods.
That's right.
Woo! Hey everybody. So, well, today we are going to go look at a bus that's been abandoned down in some canyon over on the west side. It's Matt Jackson. Apparently, it's something you can't even find on Google Earth.
Yeah,
Is that true?
it's some secret spot. We're just gonna go see if it's there, and we're gonna bring you along with us.
Oh yeah, that's always the fun thing. VW Life. Hey, it's a lead, so we're gonna see what we can find.
And then what are we doing after that?
Well, it's oh my goodness gracious, it's third Saturday, so we're going to Top Notch for VW night.
All right.
All right, let's do it. Well, we are headed back in here. The question is, how in the world did a Volkswagen bus get back down in here? That's what we're going to determine. Because we are buried back in here. I mean, maybe it washed down here? We don't know yet. But we'll soon find out, because we are buried down in here. You can see we're following this creek bed up here through here.
Yeah, we're like in a. Look at the cliffs. We're like between two cliffs.
Yeah, this is definitely up in the canyons here out in West Austin area.
All right, we just climbed that cliff. I think we found a trail to it. All right, I think we're getting close.
Yeah?
Yep.
Get up here at the top of the canyon.
You see it?
Yep.
Yeah.
Holy cow. Yep.
Oh shoot. Oh my god. Oh yeah.
I have to go ahead.
I'm gonna slow down there.
You found it.
We found it, Matt Jackson. Bay window. Look at this tree growing through it.
Oh,
Holy cow. I mean, that tree's got to be what? 15, 20-year-old tree at least. Look at that, going through the window, through the passenger, and then through the driver's compartment. That is crazy.
so the driver would be here.
Yep.
Yeah,
was
somebody
old
dumped
and-
it down here a long time ago, Chumley. I'll be damned.
Yeah.
Still got a brake pedal.
Oh shoot.
Got some bullet holes in it.
Oh yeah, look at all the bullet holes right here.
Man, the whole door is missing.
The slider door.
I don't know if it's on the slider, but
So this was a camper. Look at it.
yeah,
It's a Riviera.
I think it is a rib.
Yeah.
Well, it ain't going anywhere with that tree right there, so we ain't gotta worry about it rolling down the hill. Oh, sideways.
Okay, now I'm on top of the driver's side.
Oh, Dad.
Man, this thing has been here a long time, and there's nothing on it. But
Yeah, I mean, look at this tree.
yeah,
This tree is probably 20 feet tall
yeah,
and 8 to 10 inches wide in circumference.
yeah.
And it's going right through.
Goes through the passenger side, through the completely through the front compartment.
You see anything cool in there?
Here's a piece of some curtain
Curtain rods?
Oh,
Sorry. Sorry.
What?
I just knocked a bunch of.
I just got snowed on. Well, it looks like our abandoned bus here in the canyon has been picked over pretty good. Goodness gracious, it's been here a long time, but there's really nothing left that we could salvage. If you needed some sheet metal, maybe that, but you gotta drag it out of the canyon here. And the only way I think you could get, literally the only way you could get out of here would be with a helicopter. And I don't think it's worth that.
Okay, over here is there is no steering wheel, there's a pedal, brake pedal, clutch pedal, no seats.
No seats.
We're going past the seat stands. Now we're in the back. No bench seat, no slider door. There's the Riviera top. There's the heater holes. Looks like they had some kind of wooden thing for the bench seat. You see this?
Yeah, I saw that.
There's probably a raccoon living in here.
Yeah.
And now we're in the back.
Oh, shoot.
Pretty cool. Probably is a home to something. If you look underneath this stump, there's a burrow down in there. You guys see anything?
People have, the whole transaxle's gone. I mean, even the torsion bars are gone. It's been picked over. There's no doubt about it.
It's got a Dharma. Does anyone know what that is? Dharma? Put it like it was on there the whole time.
Yeah, right side up.
Yeah, right side up.
Right on, boys.
VW Life.
Good job.
So, all right, to give you an idea, here's a little creek. And we're in the middle of this ravine, and it's kind of on the side. And you just found the speedometer glass down here in the water area.
Yeah, good 20 feet from the vehicle.
So now we're just kind of looking through here in the wash area to see if there's any other remnants or
Dad,
Piece of
there's,
deluxe trim.
deluxe trim.
Pretty
Dad,
mangled.
there's an old can right there and an old can under there.
Old cans.
Like, from
So we're not finding the wheels or the transaxle or any of that.
Looks like a CV
hang
boot.
it past.
No, that's
That's a boot.
the heater boot. You know, your heater muffler going back to your heat exchangers.
We found a trucker mirror, of course. I think every bus from the 70s had trucker mirrors. All right, well, it's getting dark and it's time to head to Top Notch. So we're gonna leave this old bus
Yeah,
and head that way. So let's go.
I'm hungry. Hey, VW Lifers, we made it to top notch after looking and finding the abandoned Volkswagen bus. We made it top notch. And guess what? I'm hungry. It's time for some of the best hamburgers in the world. Let's go eat.
So one of the springs inside the drum kit decided to let go. It decided, you know what? I don't like being where I'm supposed to be. I'm just gonna wreak havoc inside the drum.
Okay. Not a biggie.
I can get it home, and I was already planning on fixing it tomorrow, so VW life.
That's right.
Hey, you know what? We were talking earlier. We need subscribers, and guess what? It's free. And a smart man never passes up anything free. So hit your subscribe button. It's an awesome thing. You'll be just entertained for days watching this stuff. Thank you very much.
Hey everybody, this is James. He runs Performance V-Dubs, and this is one of his customer cars. How's it going, guys? We have a 1985 Volkswagen Jetta with a 2.8 liter VR6 swap. The motor is actually out of a Volkswagen Corrado with a Mark III VR6 intake manifold. The computer system is completely run by a Mark IV ECU and tuned by us in-house. Yeah, so I'll put a link to his channel below and you can check it out.
Hey, Matt Jackson, VW Live.
Is that for me?
Garrett.
Am I living the life? Or a badge of honor?
Oh, it's a badge.
A badge of honor.
Yeah. Things are going to start happening to you now.
Oh, luck is going to fall from the sky.
Oh. Hey, everybody. We are here tonight with Bill. Bill, this car has an amazing history here in Austin. Tell us a little bit about it, buddy.
Well, I bought the car in 2005. I bought it from the second owner in Indiana through the Samba. It was my daily driver for about a half a year, and then I bought another truck to get around in.
Tell us a story about the original color that the color was on it when you bought it.
Yeah, the original color was kind of a mint green color. The original owner, his wife, didn't think the car was safe to drive because people couldn't see her coming down the road. So in 1960, they oversprayed the car mint green.
Bill has had it completely redone in its original color. And what color is this, Bill?
Polar silver.
It's beautiful. It's really beautiful. Tell us some things that we're looking in in some of the shots in it now. Tell us some things that make this car really unique, Bill.
Sure. Well, right now it has some of the original interior still. So it's got the original door panels from 1956. It has the original rubber mats. The headliner and upholstery had to be redone because it was pretty old.
Especially the dash has some very interesting accessories in there. Those are all period correct?
They are period correct. They were all bought at the dealership when the car was new.
Wow.
It has oil temperature gauge, an amp gauge, fuel gauge, and a cigarette lighter, and a gas heater.
Unbelievable.
Yeah, in 2011, coming back from the Texas Volkswagen Classic, I was towing the car back with a tow bar, and then on the way back, an 89-year-old lady pulled out in front of me and ran me off the road, and the front end was all crushed in. The car was almost, totaled.
See the amazing results that Mo has done out at his shop.
Miss Daisy.
Miss Daisy.
She's an old lady, and I'm always driving Miss Daisy.
Well, it is just one of the most beautiful cars. Just so happy to have it going again. And thank you for bringing it out tonight, my friend.
Yeah, no problem at all. I'm glad to have it out on the road again.
All right. Well, Mo, you and I have known each other for a long time. And just want to say how much we appreciate your skills and what you bring to our community, because it is something that's cherished by a lot of us. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Really appreciate that.
You're welcome,
Thank
buddy.
you so much.
I mean it, and to be able to bring Bill's 56 back from where it was, and it's just absolutely a work of art, and it's a thing of beauty. So thank you so much, buddy.
Oh, man, I greatly appreciate it. A lot of work, and I really appreciate it. Thank you.
All right, guys, that's it for us tonight at VW Life here with Mo and Bill's 56. Thank you so much, everybody. Hey, everybody. It's Saturday night at Top Notch.
That's right.
And it's been a good day, Matt Jackson.
Yeah, we went on a little hike, had some fun.
Yes, we did. We went to, we found an abandoned bay window on the side of a canyon, on its side with a tree growing through it, literally growing through it.
Yeah, and then we came and had some food at Top Notch. So
Yes.
that's a good day.
Here in Austin, we enjoy Top Notch on every third Saturday. They open up their doors to us here, and we have a Volkswagen gathering on the third Saturday of every month. And gosh, we're really lucky. And here we are on a kind of a chilly February night, and I think we got about 20 cars. Not too bad.
Yeah. So thanks for watching, and subscribe, hit the like button, leave a comment. It helps the channel.
Yes, indeed. Thank you guys so much for everything, and tell your friends, tell your buddies, and we appreciate you guys subscribing.
All right, later.